Hello everyone, welcome to the world of STEM. STEM introduces a unique way to learn science and technology, preparing students for future challenges and opportunity. STEM stands for science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. These four fields solve global challenges. Become a rapid advancement in technology, STEM become more essential than ever before. Let's see each one by one. As for science, instant in STEM is all about understanding the natural world, developing new theories, and using scientific knowledge to solve real world problems. Also includes physics, chemistry, and maths. In servo motor, linear motion, and rotational motion, these four fields divide the engineering algorithm and preparing students for hands-on learning things. Technology introduces refers to scientific knowledge to create tools, devices, and solve real world problems. Student can learn design process, troubleshooting, computer science basics, and problem solving skill. The manufacturing idea behind student can create more innovative ideas behind the process. Engineering stands for application principle of physics where we solve design and critical problems, where the student can learn industrial robotics on how the process of their physical component work together, design principles, and integrate with the innovation. Mathematical introduce the fundamental concepts of STEM, understanding patterns. This mathematical concept solve ever application and ingredients of documents. The student can also learn geometry, algebra, and measurement and statistics. This help the student have achieved their mathematical algorithm statistics for artificial intelligence. Innovation, the basic idea of student can learn innovation to introduce unique way of learning science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. The technology methods are programmed for the student to do your creativity on the student level. Future of STEM is very beautiful where 75% of job will be created by the STEM technology. Technology as global challenges and economy will be solved by the STEM technology. Businesses and industry with these skills want employ STEM student and develop their idea for career opportunity. Government of India decided to establish STEM lab, also known as Atal Tinkering Lab, where the mission solve the issue of government schools where students can learn STEM education by hands-on doing. The 50,000 plus STEM will be established in all over the India where we student can learn critical thinking, problem solving, and design thinking process. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.